Did you plan on taking a short break from cycling and that turned into a long break? Do this if you want a better experience when you're back on the saddle. The first thing you need to do is take your cycle out and then do a visual inspection. Once everything is okay, take a wet cloth and wipe the cycle down. Don't forget, for the drivetrain, you will need to add lube. This will ensure that your drivetrain has a good life and give you a good ride too. Now don't forget to unlock the cycle. Fill air in the tires and now the bike is good to go. Now that the cycle is good to go, it's your turn next. Next, take out your cycling attire. My preference, shorts and a t-shirt. Next, your safety equipment, gloves, helmet and sunglasses. Next, hydration. Though water is the preferred hydration method, I personally prefer a fast enough preload. It recharges me with electrolytes and gives me the energy boost and sustenance required when going for a ride. Now it's time to put on my shoes and go for a ride. So if like me you are taking a ride after a long break, don't strain yourself. Keep the gears in a comfortable range. Therefore, you will be able to go for a ride again tomorrow. I will not be going for a long ride right now. I'll be doing a short couple of kilometers ride around the block just to get myself back into the groove of cycling. I hope you found these tips useful. If you have some other tips to share, do comment below. And until next time, safe ride everyone.